If you also want to install a 1 kilowatt solar system from Luminous at your home, then you can install it in different ways. Right now, you cannot install it in on-grid. On-grid systems are mostly installed from 3 kilowatt, but in off-grid, you can easily install it because Luminous offers solar inverters in different capacities. You get inverters according to different budgets, so you can choose any inverter based on your budget. First, let's talk about installing 1 kilowatt panels with the latest technology. Here, you will install 1 kilowatt of panels, but you want to run a load of 500 watt to 600 watt. Then you can use a 1 kVA inverter from Luminous. It comes in the NXG Pro series. This inverter costs around 11,000 rupees. On this, you can install a lead acid battery costing around 12,000 to 13,000 rupees. If you choose a higher capacity battery, then the cost can go up to around 15,000 rupees. So here, your inverter and battery combo becomes around 25,000 rupees. Now talking about Luminous panels, they are available at around 18 to 20 rupees per watt. It depends on which technology you choose, which size you take, and where you purchase from. So here, the total cost of panels will be around 18,000 to 20,000 rupees. This is not per watt. This is the total cost you will pay because panels now come above 500 watt capacity. Even if the panel is priced at 18 rupees per watt, the total panel capacity becomes more than 1 kilowatt. So in this way, your panel cost will fall between 18,000 to 20,000 rupees. Apart from this, the cost of structure and wiring can be around 5,000 rupees to 10,000 rupees. It depends on where you get it installed and what quality structure you use. But you should at least consider 5,000 rupees. So now, rough piece 25,000 rupees for inverter and battery plus 5,000 rupees extra plus 18,000 for panels rupees or up to 20,000 rupees at maximum. So roughly within 50,000 rupees, you can build a good 1 kilowatt solar system. In this, you will get an inverter with latest MPPT technology and you will get latest technology N-type TOPCon panels. If your budget is tight, then you can also go for their PWM series, but I don't recommend it at all. In PWM, you only get a cheaper inverter at the start, but the power loss continues for a long time. That is why you should avoid PWM series as much as possible. Second, with PWM, you cannot install latest technology panels. For example, their NXG 1450 inverter supports 1 kilowatt panels on a single battery, but its VOC is 25 volt. That is why you have to use 12 volt panels, which are generally around 250 watt. Then you will need to install 4 panels of 250 watt. This increases your structure cost. And because of smaller panels, the panel cost also increases. So instead of saving a little money on the inverter, you should invest properly in the inverter. This will automatically save your cost on panels and structure. If you want to run full 1 kilowatt load, then you can choose their SolarWater Pro 2 kVA inverter. It comes with a load capacity of 2 kVA. So it can handle full 1 kilowatt load. Its panel capacity is also 2 kilowatt. That means right now you can install 1 kilowatt panels. In future, you can expand up to 2 kilowatt panels, but it supports 2 batteries. So you will have to install at least 2 batteries. Here, your battery cost will be around 25,000 and inverter cost will be around 20,000 to 25,000 rupees. So your inverter and battery combo itself goes to around 47,000 rupees. Then around 25,000 rupees extra will go into panels and structure. So total cost becomes around 75,000 rupees. But this system is future proof. In future, you can add 1 more kilowatt of panels. You will not need to change anything else. You only need to add panels. So it totally depends on your budget and your requirement. If you want to run full 1 kilowatt load, then you can set up this system in around 75,000 rupees. And you will also get extra battery backup. If you do not want to run heavy load and only want 1 kilowatt panels, then you can go with a single battery setup. If you still have any questions or suggestions about this, then comment in the video comment box. If you like the video, then like and share it. Also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you keep getting such information from time to time. Thank you.